Hello everyone, and welcome back to English XPR. In today's video, we'll share a warm and simple story called Sam Visits His Grandparents. Through this story, you'll hear easy, natural English that we use in everyday life. Let's begin. On a quiet morning, Sam decided to visit his grandfather and grandmother. He felt that he missed them, especially after long days of being busy at work. He took some sweets with him and left the house thinking that this day would be different, a day full of calm and warmth. When he arrived, his grandmother opened the door with a big smile. She said happily, "I missed you, Sam." Sam smiled and replied, "I missed you too, so much." He entered the house and immediately felt comfortable. The smell of coffee, the soft sound of the TV, everything gave him a feeling of safety and peace. Sam sat with his grandfather in the living room. His grandfather started asking him about his job at the bank, how things were going, and how life was. Sam answered calmly and listened more than he spoke. He always loved his grandfather's stories. Even if he had heard them before, they always had a special meaning. After a while, his grandmother called them for food. They all sat together at the table. The food was simple, but full of love. Sam looked at his plate and said, "No restaurant in the world makes food like yours." His grandmother laughed and said, "You're very kind." While eating, they talked about old memories, childhood days, and small but beautiful things. Sam felt that time was moving slowly, and that was exactly what he needed. No rush, no phones, just talking and laughing. After the meal, Sam sat with his grandfather drinking tea. Sam looked at him and said, "Having you in my life is a great blessing." His grandfather smiled, patted his shoulder, and said, "God bless you, my son." Before Sam left, his grandmother gave him some food to take home. Sam smiled and said, "I'll miss you very soon." He left the house feeling full, not just with food, but with love and comfort. As he walked, Sam said to himself, "Sometimes the best days are with the simplest people, the ones closest to our hearts." Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this warm story and learned something new, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English XPR. See you in the next video. Bye.